All right, so loading up your envelope can be a little bit tricky. So what you're going to do is you're going to fold these dice, or if you did the Rubik's Cube, whatever pieces you're using, you're going to fold them flat. I've got my piece tucked into the envelope a little bit, holding it down because we don't want it to explode while I'm trying to do the second one. And I'm going to tuck the second one underneath that flap there. And the reason you don't, I mean, the first one you don't need to because it's going to be pulling with all of it, but you want that second one to be tucked into the flap because when you're pulling this out, you want it to pull that out. If it's not tucked into the flap, you might just pull this out on its own and not have your dice with it. And part of the fun of this card is having your dice with it and having them explode as you, oh, my elastic popped on that one. You want to have the dice explode as you pop them out of your card.